This presentation is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. We will be demonstrating a 3-port, 2-plug plow function electrical circuits, also known as fleet flex. We will now demonstrate the raise function on a straight blade plow. The plow is connected. Ground from the battery runs to the plow module, to the cab control, and the vehicle isolation module. 12 volts from the battery runs to the vehicle isolation module, to the motor relay and plow module. The plow module sends 12 volts to the fuses and the solenoid coils. The switch accessory circuit is activated by turning on the keyed ignition, providing 12 volts to the vehicle isolation module. 12 volts from the battery is transferred from the vehicle isolation module to the cab control. Pressing the on-off button on the cab control turns the controller on. Pressing the raise button on the cab control sends a digital signal through the tan and white wires to the plow module. The plow module decodes the signal and sends a ground signal to the S3 coil and the motor relay, activating the motor and raising the plow. We will now demonstrate the lower function. Steps 1 through 5 remain the same as the raise function. Pressing the lower button on the cab control sends a digital signal through the tan and white wires to the plow module. The plow module decodes the signal and sends a ground signal to the S1 coil. The weight of the blade lowers the plow. We will now demonstrate the angle right function. Pressing the angle right button on the cab control sends a digital signal through the tan and white wires to the plow module. The plow module decodes the signal, sending a ground signal to the S2 coil and motor relay, activating the motor, angling the blade right. We will now demonstrate the angle left function. Pressing the angle left button on the cab control sends a digital signal through the tan and white wires to the plow module. The plow module decodes the signal, sending the ground path to the S2 and S3 coils and the motor relay, activating the motor, angling the blade left.